Hey guys, I bring some good news for you today. And I know that you might not believe me at first, but if you pay attention to the rest of this video, you actually will start to understand why I'm saying what I'm saying. I know it's easy to get discouraged when people say, you can't really start in cryptocurrency with nothing. Well, unlike any other thing in this world, cryptocurrency is a place where you can actually start from zero, like start from nothing, and begin to accumulate your profit and become the millionaire that you want to be. Anything is possible. In this video, I am here to teach you ways in which you can become a better cryptocurrency trader, what to avoid in the crypto market, and what you need to focus on. So let's not waste any time because I am excited to talk about this and I'm excited for you to receive this information. So don't go anywhere. Okay, before we get carried away, we need to establish one thing and one thing only. Educate yourself. You'll go very far. Learn the ins and outs of cryptocurrency trading. But the main things that I suggest that you focus on is blockchain, wallets, private and public keys, platforms on where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency, as well as different kinds of cryptocurrencies. That's what you should focus on. And trust me when I say you'll be doing yourself a huge favor. So since you're starting off from zero, you don't need a lot of money. You don't need a huge amount actually. You can start off with a small amount and accumulate your profits gradually. Remember, it's all about patience. Now, one thing that you can also look into is certain platforms that allow you to learn and earn small amounts of crypto the more you learn, right? And there are also platforms like Celsius as well as Crypto.com that allows you to earn a certain interest on your holdings. But one thing about these platforms that I mentioned is that you need to do your research on the terms and the risks before agreeing to actually doing it with these platforms. What to start with? As a beginner, you need to start with something that is established. I'm going to give you examples of 3 cryptocurrencies that you can start out with. So first we have Bitcoin, then we have Ethereum, and you also have stablecoin. That's my suggestion to you if you're looking for something to start with. So Bitcoin is known for being in the game for a very, very long time, and it's also considered safe compared to others. The second one, which is the second largest, is Ethereum. Now this one is known for its smart contract functionality, and it's also the backbone of decentralization. Another one to look at is stablecoin. This right here is tied to a fiat currency like the US dollar, for example. And this one is better when it comes to volatility. You won't really see much of that when it comes to stablecoin. But like I always tell you, do your research before you start with anything. As much as I can give you advice, it's important for you to also do your homework. The next step is securing your wallet. There are 2 types of options. You have a hot wallet and you have a cold wallet. A hot wallet is an online wallet. It's easy to use, it's convenient, but it's not as safe as a cold wallet. Now, a cold wallet is the opposite from a hot wallet, simply because it's offline. Now, this is where you can store your crypto, but it is offline. Now, you need to consider using a cold wallet if you are planning to hold your crypto for a long term. You can have either or, but it's advisable for you to use a cold wallet. Here are a couple of traps that you need to run away from as a beginner trader. Do not believe that you can make money just like this. It's not possible. If you try to make money overnight or in a very, very quick manner, then you are going to make bad decisions and you're only going to frustrate yourself. How to avoid it? Stick to a long-term plan. And also, you don't really want to day trade, not unless you are fully aware of how it works and you are educated about it. This is the most common trap. Oh my God, I've fallen for this as well. So you see a coin trending and you see people hyping up a certain coin and it's just doing the rounds and you're like, I can't miss out on this. I also want to be part of the movement. Don't do it. Please don't do it because it will end in tears. You don't want to get into that mix-up because the best way to avoid FOMO is to do your own research and basically stay in your own lane. Just because something is working for a group of people, for someone who's even close to you, it does not mean that it will work for you as well. Especially if you do not understand the projects behind the coin that you actually want to invest in. Leave the trends, stay in your lane and focus strictly on your strategy. Now, this is a trap that a lot of people fall for without even knowing it. It's called overtrading. Yes, it's actually a thing. Now, this happens when you buy and sell a little too often, because what happens is you end up raking a lot of fees, and this can contribute to your losses. A way to avoid this is to actually set your goals clear. Do I want to be a short-term trader or a long-term investor? If you have figured out what you want to do, the next step is to stick to your plan, and then this will avoid you chasing every market move. I hope the things that we discussed in this video really helped you understand trading a little bit better. If you liked it, please don't forget to like all our videos, follow us on every social media platform, and show some love in the comment section. That's all I have for you today. And don't forget, you can start from zero at any given moment.